Every extraordinary structure begins beneath the surface. The foundation determines everything above it. Engineering decisions begin with understanding the earth itself. A perfectly prepared base prevents future settlement and guarantees structural integrity. Steel reinforcement transforms concrete into a resilient structural system, capable of carrying enormous loads. Every cubic meter must achieve strength, durability, and perfect consolidation. Hidden beneath the ground, this foundation quietly supports generations of architecture. Engineering greatness is often invisible. The strongest part of every landmark is the part the world never sees.